Hey you guys, I'm out here in the garden trying to prep for, going to have a winter storm. It's going to freeze um, for a couple of days and stay cold for the week next week. So what I'm doing is deciding on what plants I need to cover and what I don't need to cover. Most things I'm not going to cover because they're um, cold weather plants. So like the um, Swiss chard and the turnip greens and all that stuff I'm not going to do. The collards I'm not going to do. But over here, these are babies. So this is bok choy and this is radicchio, and those are weeds. And over here there's some tatsoi, my cauliflower, my broccoli, and some mustard greens. Because they're babies, I do want to cover those. So I'm using these little, I don't know what you call them. They're like stakes, and I usually use them to just hold things up. But I'm using them today to create like a little tunnel, and then I'm gonna put something over, drape something over this to protect these babies from the freeze. So here we go. Got these on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description to um, where I got these. And I'm just spacing them far enough apart so that I can get this cover over. I'm a lazy gardener. I'm a cheap gardener. This mesh is actually a curtain from IKEA that I never used. It's Lil curtain. I'll put a link to that as well. But it's mesh and it'll let water in and everything. So I'm using that. Great thing about this mesh, like I said, it lets water in. You could actually use this also to, did I turn this the right way? Yeah. Did I? Also to keep out animals. But you would need to remove it for pollinators to get through. I have another one that I'm gonna just drape over and take it across here. I have these little clips. These little clips that I got from the dollar store. Two sizes. Here's the small size. Here's the big size. I think I can use a small size for this. And a brick to weigh it down. As I said, these curtains, they are $4.99 for the pair at IKEA. And I just happen to have these from a project that I did, and I didn't need this set. So, looking for other ways to reuse things. So anyway, this is all I'm doing. I'm pretty much done. And I will probably come out here with the freeze. We're actually supposed to freeze on Saturday. So I'll probably come out here Saturday evening. I'll probably come out here Saturday during the day and add, say, like a tarp or a sheet, something a little bit thicker, especially for these ones like the bok choy and the broccoli that's already up, so that the leaves and everything don't freeze. So that's pretty much all I wanted to share with y'all. Always doing things like in a sustainable way, using what we have. And this setup cost me nothing because I already had everything. But had I not had everything, I probably did this setup for like $10 max, using dollar store stuff. And this kind of mesh you probably can get at the dollar store as well. That's it. Just wanted to share that really quickly with you guys. And until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.